Columbus Acquisition Corp, trading as COLAU, is making waves with its IPO in the Cayman Islands. This special purpose acquisition company, or SPAC, aims to raise capital to identify and merge with promising businesses. Investors are buzzing about the potential for high returns, especially in sectors like tech and renewable energy. With the Cayman Islands' favorable tax environment, COLAU is positioned to attract innovative companies looking for growth. As the market evolves, keep an eye on how this SPAC navigates the competitive landscape and delivers value to its shareholders. Exciting times are ahead,